Welcome back to Andie the Lab. This is the brand spanking new 2019 Acura RDX. Acura claims it is the quickest, best handling RDX yet. Now I am going to seem a little bit more excited than normal because I drive a second generation RDX and I love it. So I cannot wait to lab test this sucker and show you all of the new features. Keep watching. With its wider track, longer wheelbase, and shorter overhang, plus that beautiful front grille, LED headlights, fog lights, and 19-inch alloy wheels. The exterior color, white diamond pearl, super luxurious. So let's let this RDX speak for itself. It's time for some B-roll. So here we are in the front of the vehicle. You have beautiful full grain leathers, contrast, piping. This particular color is called parchment, and it's complemented by olive ash wood. Oh yeah, there's real wood in here. Andie, don't eat the wood. When it comes to infotainment, this RDX debuts Acura's true touchpad interface. So what the heck does that mean? It's a combination between a touchscreen and a remote interface. This HD display and this touchpad have something called absolute positioning. It's a one-to-one match. So if you were to shrink this screen and put it under the touchpad, it would be the same position. Acura made this customizable so you can add and remove apps, set up favorites to make it that much more easier to use when you're driving. It's super easy to customize this. All you do is you put your hand on the trackpad, hold down on the icon you want to move, it goes to edit mode, and you can move it or delete it however you want. And another tip that I found is if you don't really think about the trackpad much and you just go based on your intuition, you do much better. It's also Apple CarPlay compatible and Android Auto is in the works, so stay tuned for that. It also has a brand new audio system, the ELS Studio 3D, and it has 16 speakers.
All right. Brain dead, eye drops.
When it comes to climate control, you have heated, ventilated seats, a heated steering wheel, and this enormously large panoramic moonroof. These seats feel good and have the best ergonomics. You have an adjustable headrest, lumbar support, thigh extensions, and the side bolsters are adjustable. So this thing can get so snug that it actually feels like it's giving you a hug. Hey! And you know what else is cool? Acura thought about the passengers so they could get the thigh extenders, lumbar support, side hugs. They got it all. You also have a beautiful center console. It's adjustable, which is great. Plus, you have storage underneath here. So let's jump on back and let me show you that second row. You have 104 cubic feet of passenger volume. You have plenty of legroom back here, and if you're in the center seat, you don't feel squished. The floor is basically flat. Love the armrest. It's actually one of the most comfortable ones I've ever put my elbow on. You have your 2 cup holders, additional cup holders, and storage in the doors, plus behind the driver and passenger side. When it comes to climate control, you have 2 vents coming out of the center console and heated seats. I've saved the best for last. Acura is encouraging people to hashtag look up and change your view in the 2019 RDX. So let's look up and check out the views. Amazing views, right? Now let me show you the back of this RDX. You have 29.5 cubic feet of cargo volume. Plus, with these seats down, they are almost fully flat and you gain so much extra space. To get the rear seats down, super easy. All you have to do is grab this handle and boom, the seats go down. Very impressed with the space. Wait till you see the secret storage compartments. So let's go get Andie and get the RDX on the road. So here's Andie in the back of the RDX with the rear seats up. Now let me show you what it looks like with the rear seats down. Andie's super cozy. So when it comes to driving this RDX, you have different driving modes: Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus, and Snow mode. And according to Acura, this is equipped with the 4th generation best ever super handling all-wheel drive system. It's 30% faster and is 40% more torque. The cabin is also a lot quieter for 3 reasons: acoustic glass, triple sealed doors, and thicker carpeting.
Whoa.
So when it comes to safety features, this vehicle is loaded with them. You have your CMBS, your FCW, your ACC, LKAS, and RDM, to name a few. Like the MDX, this also, you don't have a clunky dunky gear shifter. You have your buttons for park, drive, reverse, and so on. If you're looking for a crossover of this size, definitely check out the Acura RDX. This fully redesigned model is like no other crossover I've been in. Plus, when you compare this RDX to its competitors, it is priced so well. Love about the Acura RDX, but our top 5 favorite features include: 1. The huge panoramic sunroof. 2. The extra storage underneath that center console in the front. 3. The vents in the middle that blow air straight to the back. 4. The overall quiet nature of the cabin when you're driving around. And 5. The extra storage underneath Andie. Lab test the 2019 RDX. This vehicle is one fur kid, dog-friendly ride. If you like what you see and you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. And if you turn on that bell, you'll be notified when our next video is up. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!